be so much fun. It's going to be so much fun. Many animals live in the ocean. Their body parts help them move. Fish swim in the ocean. They use their front fins to turn. Sharks swim in the ocean. They use their dorsal fins to balance. Sea turtles swim in the ocean. They use their front flippers to move forward. Dolphins swim in the ocean. They use their front flippers to turn and stop. Can you turn and stop? Whales swim in the ocean. They use their tails to jump into the air. Octopus live in the ocean. They use their tentacles to crawl on the ocean floor. Penguins swim in the ocean. They flap their flippers to swim. They use their webbed feet to help them steer. Can you repeat these words after me? Dorsal fin, fin, flipper, tail, tentacle, webbed feet. Did you enjoy this book? Give me a thumbs up. Goodbye.